So I was gonna put these videos on YouTube, but why not put them all together? The first one. Yeah, I did. Where's the puppet sounds? Headphone warning. Ring. Nexty. Use this noise to annoy your friends. Next. Wait, what was this one? Normal. Oh yeah. Me versus normal. Me. I use a spoon. Turn it around. Turn it. I made this just now. I actually made all the videos right now. Just now. Yes. Next. Wait, this is the one. Hi. My tooth came out. Oh, wait. Yeah. This one's next. Before. Now. Wait. This isn't money. This is money at all. What is this? Don't tell me so many ways just to get this. It's better than money. It's like it came out of the fridge. That was weird. Oh, this was a blooper actually. Noodles. So I did. Noodles. So there was bloopers about this. Now let's get to it. First, to make cup noodles, get your cup noodles. And some cup noodles. Like this. Grab your noodles. Cut it. No. Then just peel it off. Anyway, next step. It's like this. It's like this. Where it comes with a plastic cup. And it's not all mixed yet. Get the scissors. I didn't feel the itchy about this part. After I did this one. Man, it's because of all the ants I touched before I made this video. Sorry for making too much noise. If you make a mess. Next. Ooh, that did it! Noodles. Okay, so I had to do this one all over again. So I was gonna make this video, but for some reason, I accidentally basically I accidentally I accidentally got my camera of my iPad. It basically it just it went out for some reason. It went out of the app for some reason. So I had to do it all over again, but It's still okay. And here's some bloopers. It's making noodles back. Wait, I need to do that a little bit. Making noodles. Making noodles. Why would he? It's making noodles. Okay. Wait, I need to do that. This was 17 seconds. Oh yeah, I forgot. I put on picture. What is this? Hi. I'm in bed right now. Just took a shower.